Welcome to this course, which is all about helping you to become an advanced Ethereum blockchain developer and build something meaningful. So in this lecture, I'm going to give you an all-round introduction to this course, then we're going to dive in and immerse ourselves in Ethereum development at a far deeper level than we have previously ever covered in our other courses. As you'll be aware by now, myself and Thomas have teamed up once again to bring you this course. We've combined both our heads to bring you the most in-depth Ethereum development course anywhere online. Thomas is a technology leader with over 8 years of experience hands-on in software engineering. He's operated in growing global multi-channel environments. He's got a master's in computer science and, among other technologies, he has a specialism in blockchain technology. Then for myself, for any of you who have already enrolled on one of my other courses, you'll be aware that I'm a certified Bitcoin professional teaching a community of over 30,000 students about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. And my journey with this ecosystem started back in 2013, where I started out by teaching live classes on the aspects within this ecosystem, which then led to the creation of these high quality, engaging and practical online classes. So that's who's going to be taking you through this entire course, myself and Thomas. Now, before we move straight into this course within the next lecture, I just want to make sure that you're aware of the key things that we'll be diving into within this course. We've structured it in a way which is well paced for everyone to ensure they feel fully comfortable by the end of this course developing with Ethereum at an advanced level. Here are some of the key areas that we'll be diving into with depth in this course. Understanding the workflow and ecosystem of blockchain development for complex distributed applications. Learning the workflow, tools, setup and configuration needed in order to build something meaningful. Fully unit testing the exchange and token we're going to build with Truffle's test framework. Working with the front end in HTML JavaScript using Web3. Learning everything important about the connection between Solidity and Web3.js, which includes access to functions, events, and the interaction between contracts. Releasing our project to the Rinkeby test network and understanding how to use the distributed application with MetaMask, and so much more. Just a quick note, Udemy will more than likely automatically ask you to review the course pretty soon. You'll probably not have had enough time to work through the lectures at that point, so don't feel obliged to leave a review if you haven't covered enough of the course. Of course, a review is always welcome, so if you're happy, please leave us some feedback. But if you want to work through more of the course, please do so before leaving a review, and you'll be prompted later in the course again. But that's everything for this lecture. I just wanted to give you an introduction to the course before we dive straight into it all within the next section. Remember, we're always active in the discussion boards should you have any questions. Other than that, we look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.